So the bottom line here is this: the more financial products like this that come to market, the more successful that these products are, the better it is for Bitcoin's price, the better it is for the supply and demand dynamics around Bitcoin.
And of course, as you know, the more capital we raise via this mechanism, the more Bitcoin we buy,
Right.
and more intelligent leverage we get. So it's good for our equity, it's good for Bitcoin, and it's good for investors. So I think it's a win-win-win.
So the fact that you can still buy Bitcoin in the $80,000 range right now is actually a complete joke, at least according to Michael Saylor, especially when you realize the scope of Bitcoin financial products that will get introduced, integrated, and launched within the next 4 years.
Really kind of at a perfect inflection point, because this is it's not a slow motion train wreck, because that's the wrong metaphor. It's the opposite of a slow motion train wreck. It's a slow motion parade of wonderful things. They're all going to happen. We know they're going to happen. There's a 98% chance they're going to happen. I just can't tell you exactly the date they'll happen, but I think over the next 4 years, everything you could want that's good is going to happen. And so the market is discounting that. The market doesn't believe any of that. Right? So the idea that you could actually buy Bitcoin at 80,000 right now is a joke. What I said is, when the bank lets you buy it, when Bank of America lets you buy it, and you can just order it and buy $1 billion at a time, it'll cost you $1 million. And when the bank, when your traditional banker recommends it to you because it's growing 20% a year and it's risk-free in their opinion, it's going to cost you $10 million. And so you can wait until it's easy and risk-free and you'll pay 100 times as much. Or you can do the research and jump through a few hoops right now for Bitcoin, and you get a 99% discount. With all these other things.
So I'm honestly surprised how bearish everybody is. Even Tom Lee thinks that Bitcoin and crypto will 100% be the best performing asset class this year. Still,
From the shorter lens, this incoming administration, I think, is doing things that look very disruptive at the moment, but I think structurally are really positive. Because it's a path for U.S.